Prepare yourselves. The world of action cameras is about to be utterly transformed. For years, we've yearned for it, speculated about it, and now the whispers are growing louder, solidifying into a thunderous roar. The GoPro Max 2 is not just coming. It's arriving to shatter every expectation you ever had about 360-degree capture. If you thought the original Max was revolutionary, you haven't seen anything yet. You've seen the patents. You've heard the industry insiders. But today, we're cutting through the noise. We're diving deep into the most tightly guarded secrets of what GoPro is preparing to unleash. If you're currently shooting with an original Max, an Insta360, or even a Hero 12, you need to hear this. Because what I'm about to share will make your current gear feel, honestly, a little limited. The biggest story, the one that's generating unprecedented excitement, is the sensor technology. Leaks suggest GoPro is ditching the smaller, traditional sensors in favor of two significantly larger, next-generation 1-inch sensors. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete re-engineering. This means unprecedented low-light performance, dramatically improved dynamic range, and a quantum leap in image quality for a 360 camera. Imagine capturing a sunset vista where every nuance of color is perfectly preserved, or a thrilling night ride where every detail emerges from the shadows. This is the difference between simply recording an experience and truly reliving it. But the sensors are just the beginning. Let's talk about the resolution and frame rates. Forget 5.7K. The Max 2 is rumored to push the boundaries to an astounding 8K 360-degree video capture. But it doesn't stop there. Sources indicate it will also offer 4K 360 at 60 frames per second, bringing buttery smooth, high-resolution immersive content to your fingertips. This isn't just about sharper images. It's about unparalleled fluidity and the ability to punch out incredible, hyper-stable flat video from your 360 footage with breathtaking detail. And how does GoPro achieve such stability? With HyperSmooth 6.0, exclusively designed for 360 capture. This isn't just a software tweak. It's a hardware-accelerated stabilization system that predicts your movements, eliminating every jiggle, every shake, even in the most extreme conditions. Imagine mountain biking down a rocky trail, or surfing a massive wave, and your footage looks like it was shot on a cinematic dolly. That's the power of Max 2. Now let's get into the game changer for content creators, the audio system. GoPro is reportedly overhauling its microphone array with a new spatial audio capture system featuring 6 directional microphones. This isn't just about recording sound. It's about capturing the essence of your environment. Hear the roar of the ocean from the correct direction, the chatter of the crowd swirling around you, making your 360 videos truly immersive. But here is where the Max 2 truly becomes a creative powerhouse. The software and AI integration. Leaks confirm a completely redesigned GoPro Quick App experience, with on-device AI processing for faster stitching and reframing. Imagine the camera intelligently identifying the most exciting moments in your 360 footage and suggesting cinematic edits. Or the ability to instantly reframe your footage into perfect social media aspect ratios with a single tap, completely hands-free. This isn't just a camera, it's an intelligent production studio in your pocket. The form factor is also seeing a significant upgrade. Expect a more